Good morning, students. In the second semester syllabus, this regular math, this syllabus completed. Then today we are going to start here this NCERT math in your syllabus. See this math magic book. In this math magic book, in first semester we completed 7 chapters. Then second semester starts from this chapter 8, cars and wheels. Chapter 8 in this NCERT math, cars and wheels. Page number you see 81. See how big this wheel is. I have never seen a wheel like this. You see this wheel. How big this wheel? You must have seen many such round things around you. List some more in your notebook. You see you are around and you list these wheels. You see these bicycle wheels, car wheels, tractor wheels, rickshaw wheels. You see in your around and you list see about these wheels. See this picture, cars and wheels. You must have seen much such round things around you. See these round things. You know your bangles also round things. List some more in your above. I cannot wear these bangles. These are too small. See here these bangles. This also round in shape. And these bangles are very small and it is not wear to in hand. Then again you list you see in your around what is the round in shape and list and write in your notebook. Then this round bangle you see here. Have you ever gone to a bangle shop? Guess which of these bangles is of your size. Take a wire and make a bangle for yourself. Take a one wire and make a bangle for yourself. Can your madam or mother wear these bangles? A bangle can be used to trace a circle. What are the other things around you that you can use to trace a circle? You know these bangles of this different size. You know bangle size this 2 size, 2 4 size, 2 6, 2 8. Means your madam or your mother wear these bangles and you don't know the size of this bangle, then you take one wire and you take your hand size and go in shop and take this bangle of this size. Then next page number you see in your textbook, this page number 83. Games with circles. Games with circles. Children are playing some games. These children are playing some games, but they playing these games in circle type. Game 2. Do you play these games? Which games? Which song do you sing when you play these? And play these games in your school. You see this picture and which game this and which song you sing when you play this. Then you write. Then next one. Why do we make a circle in each of these games? What if a rectangle was made? Discuss and think of some other games you play by making circles. You see here, you see this around of this circle and making these games. And why you make a circle in of these games? You imagine and write this answer. Then in this book only activities given and you do activities in home. This next one, page number 84, making a circle. See here some children's, Naina, Chippu and Ariba want to play a game. They want to make a big circle on the ground. They want to make a big circle on the ground. But they cannot make it by tracing, so Ariba tries to draw a circle with a stick. And Chippu and Naina, it does not look like a circle at all. They draw a circle but it does not look like a circle. Ariba, okay, why don't both of you try? Chiku and Naina both make circles. They both make circles on the ground. Is any of these a good drawing of a circle? Discuss, and can you draw a circle on the floor with a chalk track by using this chalk? You draw a circle on the floor. Then next one, 85, page number, making a circle with a rope. You know rope. By using this rope, you make a here circle. Ariba decided to use nails and thread to make a circle on the ground. And she took a thin rope and tied nails on both ends. She took these small nails tied here and thin rope and on both ends of the rope, and she made a circle with help of her friend. And look at the picture and see how they are making the circle. You see here by using this rope and how they making here circle. Can you also make a circle with a rope and nails like Ariba? You also do this activity in home. You take these small nails and one thread you take, and with your friends by using this thread, and you make a circle. Then next one point is in this circle, radius, center of the circle, diameter. Then this remaining part tomorrow we will study. Okay.